Hi guys, it's Rexy. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide your magic ring tail. I normally do this if I'm making a bag or a basket. Some people do it all the time. Some people just cut it about here. It's entirely up to you, okay? It does end up inside a plushie if you're making a plushie, so that doesn't really matter. But obviously if you're making a bag or a basket of some sort, you don't want this dangling on the inside because you will see it. Okay, so I've made my magic ring. You go into your first stitch. Now your little tail you tuck over your hook, because once you pull through the yarn, it's then going to be inside the next stitch. So single crochet as normal, but as you can see, it's actually inside that stitch. Now if you do this all the way around, I'm just going to mark this with a stitch marker, you can see that it hides. I'll show you. So going into the next stitch, bring it through, your tail's already in that position to be tucked in with the stitch. 2. I'll just do this all the way around so you can see again it's in the right position. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now I chose to do 8 single crochets in my magic ring. This does work as well on a 6 or a 4 or a 5, depending on what your pattern says. But look, that tail has followed around and is hidden. Now if you continue this onto your next row and your next row, this will be completely hidden, and when you've made your bag or your basket or utensil holder, you're not going to be able to see it. It's in with it. Saves you cutting, see if there's any mess on the inside. I'll do the next row so you can see. Again, I'm just going to do single crochets around. So push it through your first one and then make sure it's tucked over your hook and it goes into the stitch like that. Mark it. So I'll do the next 8. 1, again it's already in position over there to be tucked in with the stitch. 2, 3. Sometimes it does want to come through with the hook, but it is manageable. Oh, I pulled it through. Remember, you do only want to pull the yarn you're working with and not the tail. Come on, you tinker. There we go. That'll do. So as you can see, the tail's shorter because I've done another row, and you can just continue that round until it completely disappears. It does make, I find it does make your work tidier, like I say, when you're doing baskets, utensil holders, bags, earpod holders. Okay, thanks for watching.